Hello, this is Blaine from Plastering for Beginners, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use your Trowel and Hawk. If you're completely new to the game, no one's probably taught you the real basics of how to use your tools at the beginning. It's easy to say, here's how to plaster a wall, but everything else in the middle also counts. So I'm going to show you a few little tips. I've been using it in the morning, my little Trowel and Hawk, so that's got a bit of plaster on, but best place to start. And I'm going to show you the best way to use it. So, the first place I start is you have your hawk in your left hand, always. Hold it in your hand, left hand nice and tight, your trowel in your right hand. Basics, yeah? Nice grip, hand, thumb over, fingers over there. That's the best way to hold it. And have it facing at that angle. So when you come to applying your plaster, you're ready. Up, down, start at the bottom, you're ready. So that's your best angle to hold it at. So now, obviously you need to put plaster on your hawk, don't you? So, here is a bucket trowel. And this is what I use to put the plaster onto my hawk. And here's how you do it. Left hand hawk, right hand trowel. Then, I place my trowel in my left hand. I open my little finger and my forefinger there. Put it in between. So now, I've got a free hand. Take your bucket trowel, put it back down, take your trowel back out, there you go. I've got plaster on my hawk. Okay? So now what? Now, we need to take the plaster from the hawk onto my trowel. So, like that. See that? Put it back. This is called splitting the plaster. So you've got a nice lump there. Take it. Look, don't be scared of holding it upside down. It's staying. The plaster's not going anywhere. I'll show you again. Make a nice bubble. This is what I always recommend when you take the plaster, drop it onto the hawk. There you've got a nice blob of plaster to work with. I'll show you again. Hawk left hand, trowel right. Put it at an angle, take your trowel, there we go. You're literally taking it as it's falling, so it will fall at the beginning, look. Take your trowel, stop it from falling, crush the plaster down, and that holds the plaster into place. That's it. Do it again. There we go. And then from there, you can take it from the bottom and trowel up. But if you're just starting out, I'd actually recommend don't do any plastering at the beginning. Don't do anything. Literally mix a bit of plaster, get it onto your hawk, get it onto your trowel, and repeat the process. Now if you don't want to use this plaster anymore, take it onto your trowel, all of it that time. So what you do there, instead of cutting it, you take it all. Put your hawk upside down, put it all onto your trowel. There we go. It's upright, it's not going anywhere. Put it into your bucket. Scrape the rest off, back on, empty hawk, again, and then as practice, just do it again. Plaster onto hawk, back off, plaster onto trowel, back off, plaster onto trowel, back off. Cut it, back into the bucket. So that's how you take the plaster from the bucket onto your hawk, onto your trowel. And that's a basic. It's a basic thing to start with, and if you haven't done any plastering before, that's where I would begin. Start from the basics, get that right, and then start plastering. Thanks a lot. It's Blaine Plaster for Beginners. See you next time.